Living in a 21st century world in diamonds, our 2025 vibe. July 8th, 2025, Savor the Comic Unplug the Drama Day, also known as Scud Day. Savor the Comic Unplug the Drama. Founded in 2007 by Stephanie West Allen, a lawyer, author, and psychological student. Allen observed high levels of stress in those around her and sought to promote a lighter perspective on life. The day was created alongside a newsletter also called Savor the Comic, Unplug the Drama, which promotional entities are relaxation and humor. All right, so yes, we do need to have more humor and less drama. How about no drama at all? Yes. Today's color scheme is jelly beans plus Airheads Extremes. Jelly beans because there are multiple ways to be funny where everybody laughs, as there are flavors of jelly beans. Airheads Extremes represents not to be an airhead and dramatic, and feel joy to the extreme. Happy Savor the Comic Unplug the Drama Day.
Quickly tonic multi-reklama River check chambaka trauma River abdomen TV grama River speaker liquid bird BPA chamber key garlic smoke mark